Okay, so 2 things.
Okay.
1, I have to do the plant-based thing again, and all my freezer meals right now are meat-based.
Okay.
I need to have some meals for me for on days if I'm not well enough or don't have time to cook. So, I want to do a veggie chili. Okay?
Right.
Second part of that, it just so happens that Ginger, you know, the lovely Ginger, because we love Ginger, and Joey, from Not For Nothing Homestead, are doing the Chili Smackdown. And asked us to do a video. So.
And this just happens to coincide with you needing to do something plant-based because your body hates you.
Yeah! And I get to use my new knives!
Lord help us.
We're going to do a really basic one because we organised everything and it's all nice and neat and tidy, I can't find anything. So we've got lots of things that are missing, but we can still make a really decent chili out of what we've got.
Okay.
Okay?
Right.
There's actually a jar missing. It's that one over there. No, on the freezer. Mate, jar?
Oh. Jar.
Whoa. Yeah, it's not like you can miss it, alright? Okay, so this is TVP.
Yeah.
This is what it's textured vegetable protein. So it's soy-based vegetable protein that is actually really, really good for you, and it's a really good equivalent for using mince, like mince meat and stuff. So we're going to use this. We're going to use a mix of the beans, which will get rid of quite a few of the little jars that have got like 5 beans in them.
Yep.
And get cracking.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
Cool.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where's your veggie peeler?
It's in the kitchen.
You had one job.
What do you mean I had one job? I had you. That was my one job. My job here is done. So you got 4 carrots. I've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 of those kind of baby onions, so maybe 2 big ones. And we're going to use half of the celery. I would use peppers. We ain't got no peppers.
Like, I'm staying quiet because I know new knives. I know the rules of new knives. Okay?
Yeah, the new knives rule is sit quiet. To be honest, it's really important to keep your knives really sharp, because if you don't, you're more likely to do yourself more damage if you cut yourself. You know?
Unlike me, who does more damage to themselves with a brand new
If
sharp
you
knife.
slice yourself with a really sharp knife or a brand new knife, you're probably going to take a slice, but you can pull it back and you can super glue it really quickly and get it shut down, right? If you do it with a chunk, like that knife over there, that will probably take a piece out of you, and that would cause more issue.
Yeah, I didn't super glue mine, I duct taped it.
What we're going to do first is we're going to turn our slow cooker on to high. Alright? And then, instead of oil, because we're trying to be healthy in it, we're going to put a little bit of water into our slow cooker. And then we're going to saute off these veg in that water. That's going to just saute off for a little bit. While that's happening, I'm going to get this and this. And this. Oh! Okay. Now I've got my own Mexican spice blend. I call it Mexican spice blend because it's not for fajitas, it's not for tacos, it's for whatever you want to make. Kind of Tex-Mex, Mexi flavored. And I'm chucking a lot in. If you want the recipe for it, there's a link below.
And a card up there.
And a card up there, somewhere. There, maybe, there, yep. Okay, I'm also, because I'm cheating a bit, I got one of these, because it was in my pantry, and I found it when I was organising it. So, it's been sitting there a while, so chuck it in. That should do it. Right. And the next thing we're going to chuck in is some chickpeas. I have already drained these and kept the aquafaba, which is the liquid, aside for something else.
Cans are opened.
Awesome! Thank you, son. Now, can I please have the black beans? Okay. Now, we're going to start getting a bit beany. And that's the last of my black beans is in there. Next.
What do you want next?
Just pass me the bay leaves really quickly. I'll chuck those into, yep, bay leaves. Fresh off the tree.
What are those?
Yeah, about half a...
What are they?
They are... Well, can I just finish? It's half a cup of green speckled lentils.
You're a speckled lentil.
You're a speckled lentil. Half a cup of cannellini beans. And a bit for luck. Be careful with that one, it's heavy. Okay, I'm going to get a good couple of handfuls of dried soybeans, one for luck. There we go. Right, and we're going to get those all mixed in with our lovely sauteed vegetables. Now at this point you can add whatever veg you want. If you've got sweet corn, add sweet corn. If you've got other things, add other things. I don't care. We're using what we got, which is a load of half dead veg and whatever's in the pantry, because you know, it's the end of January. We're going to go 2 cans of chopped tomatoes. And we're going to do 2 of whole plum tomatoes. Now the reason I do the plum tomatoes is because they've got a bit more meat in them than the chopped ones. And I just give them a good seeing to while they're in the pot. Stubby, 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 stubby. Okay. Okie dokie. Ugh. Okay, so obviously we're using a lot of dried beans, which means that liquid is very quickly being sucked up. So, straight in there with some water. I'm not using stock. I haven't got any. Not veggie stock, not yet. So, we're just gonna use what we got. But if you want to put veggie stock, veggie bouillon powder, whatever you want, stick it in there. Right, now, that is gonna sit and bubble away for the next
hour.
Long enough to watch a movie. Maybe Predator, sort of somewhere between Predator and JFK length.
Oh God.
So, you know, about 2.5 hours. See you then. About an hour and a half in. The white beans still need quite a bit of cooking, as you can see, because they haven't quite plumped up enough yet. Might need to put some more water in here, that's okay. In fact, we will need to put some more water in here, and we'll do that in just a second. At this point, I normally put in the TVP, but I'm not going to yet because these cannellini beans, as you can see, they're going to take a little bit more time. So that's fine. They can keep doing what they're going to do, because if I add it now and they take up all the water, those cannellini beans are just going to burn and not do very much, and it's all going to start sticking, and we don't want that. Whew. But if I do it this way, let it go, let it start bubbling again and doing its thing, and let it go for another hour or so, it should be done, and I can then add the TVP, and if I need to add more water at that point, I will. It's day 2 of the chili cook. Now, there's a reason for this. Tanny came home early from work yesterday, and he started choking because of the garlic that is in the spice blend and the chili, so I had to turn it off. Okay, but as you can see, all the beans are really beautiful cooked at this point. So they're all cooked in. They still probably could do with a little bit longer. So, you'll never guess what I found as I went through the freezer. Dun dun dun! Sweet corn! So that's going in, loads of it, because I absolutely adore it. It's one of my favourite vegetables in the whole wide world. And this is the point as well where we are going to, if I can get the jar open. Oh my God! Oh, there it is. We're going to put in about 1/2 cup of TVP. Now, you don't want loads of this. It is going to fluff up to about 5 times its size. So let's turn the pot back on. Woo. Get it all mixed in. And let it go for another couple of hours while I do other stuff. Now don't feel like I need to add more liquid to that. There is quite a lot of liquid in there still, and I want it to be quite thick, you know, thick. We go. Veggie chili, yum yum. It's really cool because it's like 11 o'clock in the morning. I still haven't had breakfast yet, so you know, I'm good with this. So it's basically a baked sweet potato with some leftover rice from last night and the chili. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my god. Seriously. Get out there and make your own, guys, because you ain't sharing this. This is mine. I'm done. Yum. Good. Oh!
Hi guys, Editing Blue here. I just wanted to say that this collaboration was brought to you by Ginger at Not For Nothing Homestead and Tony at Cattle Kitchen. Now, Ginger is having a giveaway on her channel on the 1st of March. So you want to be over there and check it out, and check her channel out too, because she's really awesome. Also, down in the description below is a big list of all the other collaborators that are in this collaboration. Chili Smackdown 2023 collaboration. I just want to say thank you so much for inviting me to it. I've had a lot of fun making it, having a lot of fun eating it, and please watch the video to the end. Unless you have sensitivities, then don't watch it to the end. You don't want to watch the bloopers. No. I love yous.
Comfortable. English 14. You see, folks, what makes this chili so special because it's plant-based is the amount of bodily gases that go into it. Totally all organic.
But this chili's so good, you don't even have to eat it to start fun.
No, it's your body preparing for what's about to go into it.